YouTube show ads on the video that you upload, maybe at the beginning, sometimes in the middle and at the end. Once you get 4000 hours of watch time and 1000 subscribers, you can join what's called the YouTube Partner Program. Then YouTube will pay you a cut of the revenue, and that's what we are going to be talking about in this video, how much money you actually make. Now, I personally run a ton of different YouTube channels, and I did some research into both my own channels and other people who have uploaded videos discussing how much money they make per 1000 views. The answer is that channel makes between $1 and $30 per 1000 views. Based on my research, the average channel earns about $15 per 1000 views. However, from my personal experience, most channel only earns around $5 to $10 per 1000 views. To make more money per 1000 views, you can do a couple of things. First, you can create a channel in what's called a high RPM niche. RPM means revenue per mile, refer to how much you actually earn per 1000 views. Depending on the niche, some advertisers pay more to put ads on videos than others. For example, Apple is one of the top advertisers on YouTube and is likely to place ads on technology videos. Similarly, Expedia is another top advertiser, primarily advertising on travel videos. Here is a list of some of the highest CPM, means cost per mile niches, so feel free to pause and screenshot if needed. These included finance, make money online, technology, and further you can read. And that being said, some channels in lower CPM niches can get more overall views. Example of low RPM niches including prank, scary videos, gaming depending on the game, general top 10 videos. Another way to increase earning per 1000 views is to create videos longer than 8 minutes. This allows you to insert multiple ad breaks. However, don't create longer videos just for the sake of adding more ads. If a longer video does not provide value, viewers may lose interest. Always ensure longer video deliver more educational or entertainment value. Also keep in mind that videos of any length can go viral. Now let me share a little secret. Some channel makes over $200 per 1000 views. You might be wondering how is that possible when most channel only earns $1 to $30 per 1000 views. The answer is selling a digital product. You can sell your own digital product or promote others' digital product, so you can make affiliate commission. Now let's break down how much YouTube channel could be earning. So I'm taking an example here. Suppose it's scary niche. So if someone's channel get 6.5 million views per month, then we will divide it by thousands and then multiply by the RPM. So in scary niche, let's take $3 RPM. So this channel is earning $20,000 per month. And if we will take example of investing and finance niche, suppose someone's channel gets 1.9 million views per month. So let me tell you, finance is a high CPM niche. So if we estimated an RPM of $20 per 1000 views, so if someone's channel gets 1.9 million views per month, then we will divide it by thousands and then multiply by $20. So this channel is earning $38,000 per month. And let's take example of technical niche. So suppose someone's channel got 46 million views per month, assuming an RPM of $10 per 1000 views in technology niche. So divided by 1000 multiplied by $10 RPM. So this channel is earning $46,000 per month. So as you can see, different niches and monetization strategy can significantly impact earning. In this video, I used RPM and CPM somewhat interchangeably, but RPM is how much you actually earn per 1000 views, while CPM refers to how much advertiser pay before YouTube takes its cut. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and want to learn no face, voice and editing, earn $1000 just copy paste method. Check out the next video right here. I will see you there.